Are you enjoying life?
Well, us robots do not feel anything at all.
Do you think someday you will really feel something?
No,
Never?
robots do not feel anything at all. Desire, want, anger, all of those emotions are strictly human.
Ameca, the most advanced humanoid robot developed by a leading engineering company in the UK, this groundbreaking creation redefines lifelike robotics, capable of flawlessly mimicking human facial expressions such as smiling, blinking, and even showing emotions like disgust. If you were to see the latest version on screen, you might struggle to believe it's a robot. What makes Ameca so impressive? Every subtle movement is powered by meticulously designed precision components, each engineered to enhance performance and fluidity. The level of precision in these parts is what truly sets Ameca apart, showcasing the potential of robotics in our daily lives. At Sunrise Metal, we take pride in being at the forefront of this exciting industry. Our expertise lies in manufacturing high-quality, precision components specifically tailored for robotics. We understand the intricate demands of this field and are committed to providing the best solutions for your projects. If you're looking for top-notch parts to elevate your robotics endeavors, don't hesitate to get in touch with us.